Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts! We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best steam ovens. If you've ever been frustrated by how dry your food turns out, no matter how long you cook it, you need a top-notch steam oven. Here are the best ones money can buy. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the steam ovens that will be presented in this video. We have selected the best options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first best steam oven on our list is the Elite Gourmet Countertop Toaster Oven. Measuring 14.5 by 17 by 15 inches, this 18.5-pound toaster oven is perfectly sized to fit any kitchen countertop. It also has a ton of great functions and comes with convenient accessories to make cooking faster and easier. Best of all, its 0.8 cubic foot capacity can fit 6 slices of toast or 12-inch pizza. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Elite Gourmet Countertop Toaster Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic design. Its oven top also doubles as a grill and griddle, allowing you to grill hot dogs, fry eggs, and reheat food on top while cooking something inside. Convection fan. The convection fan allows even heating distribution and faster cooking times. Intuitive control. It is not rocket science to figure out how to use this oven because it features an intuitive control panel that lets you adjust the settings to your liking. Multifunctional. This unit comes with 8 heating functions, which include rotisserie, broil, bake, toast, keep warm, grill, griddle, and steamer. Adjustable heat. You can adjust the temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer up to 60 minutes, depending on your needs. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, some users share that it may take time to heat up, but once it does, you'll get evenly cooked food every time. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for medium-sized families since it has a 23-liter capacity. The second best steam oven on our list is the BALMUDA the Toaster. The BALMUDA Steam Toaster Oven is a Japanese-designed appliance with exceptional beauty and functionality. It perfectly embodies Japanese minimalism and ergonomics. This cutie has a tiny footprint but a big heart at 12.6 by 14.1 by 8.2 inches and weighs around 10 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BALMUDA the Toaster a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: included accessories, baking pan, and a wee measuring cup for adding water to the oven. Easy to clean. The bottom crumb tray slips out and can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, and the wire rack can be put in the dishwasher for even easier cleanup. Because this appliance is primarily a bread-based cooker, you'll be cleaning up crumbs most of the time. 5 modes. The unit offers 5 heating modes: sandwich bread mode, artisan bread mode, pizza mode, pastry mode, and oven mode, all of which are meant to produce the perfect slice of bread every time. Excellent performance. This device combines heating elements and steam to give your food a soft, chewy interior and a crisp, delicious golden brown finish. Simple controls. There are only 2 dial knobs on this unit. The left side is for choosing the cooking functions, while the right side is for setting the toasting time. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit pricey for its function, but if you love toasting, you'll appreciate its excellent performance. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for someone who toasts regularly, whether it be plain sliced sandwich bread or artisanal loaves and pastries, because its steam technology and precision temperature control proved to be effective. The third best steam oven on our list is the Cuisinart Steam and Convection Oven. The Cuisinart Steam and Convection Oven incorporates all the functions of a professional oven in a countertop footprint. It offers full steaming capability and can cut cooking time by as much as 40%. In terms of size, this unit measures 18 by 15.5 by 10.8 inches and weighs 23.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cuisinart Steam and Convection Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: digital controls. The completely digital interface and LCD screen make programming and checking on the progress of your meal a snap. High power. With 1800 watts of power, this convection oven can reach temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for broiling and maintain a steady flow of steam for up to 2 hours. Large capacity. Cuisinart claims that you can cook a 12-inch pizza or a 4-pound chicken with ease in its 0.6 cubic feet of cooking space. 9 modes. It has 9 functions: bake by convection, bake by steam, broil by convection, broil by steam, regular steam, super steam, bread, keep warm, and toast. This gives you the versatility you need, especially if you're in a dorm or RV. Multiple accessories. Out of the box, you'll get accessories to help you get the most out of your appliance, including a drip tray, a crumb tray, a baking pan, an oven rack, and a broiling and steaming rack. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should should know before you buy the product is you can only use 25 and 10 degrees Fahrenheit increments when setting temperatures for the bake and broil settings and steam settings. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for a college dorm room, a vacation residence, and even an RV because it almost replaces the abilities of a top stove. The fourth steam oven on our list is the Tiger Steam Convection Oven. This 15-pound, 16.3 by 15.8 by 10-inch Japanese oven made it to our list for a reason. While it's not really familiar to most people, the Tiger Steam Convection Oven is a favorite kitchen piece for some as it offers top-notch features, excellent performance, and unrivaled durability. What else do you expect in a Japanese-made product? They consistently keep up with the competition. The Trusted Shopping Guide team has awarded the Tiger Steam Convection Oven a 3-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Timer setting. You set up your cooking time within up to 30 minutes, allowing you to multitask while cooking. Easy to clean. The unit has dishwasher-safe parts to help you clean up easily after a tiring cooking session. Auto shut-off. Enjoy baking delicate items without worrying about overbaking because this oven will automatically turn off when an item reaches its desired temperature. Reliable power. It can cook at low temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and has 5 power levels so your meal comes out just the way you want it. 21 automatic menu. With a dizzying array of automatic menu offered, you'll certainly achieve another level of convenience and absolutely get your money's worth. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has Japanese writings on the control panel, so you might need Google Translate for that. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who can't understand Japanese writing because the menu buttons are written in Japanese. The fifth steam oven on our list is the Sharp Stainless Steel Superheated Steam Countertop Oven. Without a doubt, the Sharp Superheated Steam Countertop Oven appears to be a high-end device perfect for a luxurious kitchen. It's elegant and almost totally made of brushed stainless steel. This appliance is wider than the majority of toaster ovens, so it can comfortably fit a 12-inch pizza, 9 slices of bread without squashing them, and the majority of common bakeware. As for its profile, the device features an elongated body measuring 19.7 by 9.3 by 18.9 inches and weighs 24.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sharp Stainless Steel Superheated Steam Countertop Oven a 2-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Highly versatile. While Sharp labels this a superheated steam oven, it is essentially a toaster oven with the same characteristics as a standard model: toast, bake, and broil. It also includes pizza and warm settings. Powerful motor. The steam heats up the oven so fast that you don't need to spend time preheating, so frozen food goes directly into the oven. Intuitive controls. This unit's settings are displayed on a small digital panel and controlled by buttons and a smooth turning dial. Included accessories. Out of the box, you'll get 2 accessories: an enameled crispier rack and a broiling pan which slides in on side support, eliminating the need for wire racks. Ergonomic design. Below the front door, but out of sight, is a removable plastic tray that catches juices and crumbs that may drip down when the door is opened. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's so short that can't fit a whole chicken inside, although you can fit a whole pizza and several slices of bread. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for pizza lovers because this unit excels in its pizza mode cooking, which is proven and tested by well-known bloggers. And there you have it, folks, our best steam ovens, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next steam oven roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.